Day 8. What's it gonna be? Okay, I think it's the little new Rare Beauty perfume. I think that's what that is. Yeah. So that's, I don't know if that's gonna fit on the shelf. I guess we'll put it here. On the shelf you go. Can't wait to use you because apparently it smells so good.